So how am I gonna turn this big box into a building for kids to play in? Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we are turning this big box right here into a building for kids to play in for my stepson's birthday. You're gonna need box cutter, you're gonna need paints, you're gonna need a bunch of stuff. So let's get to this right now. Alright guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to mark the middle of this box. We're gonna cut it down with the box cutter, and that way this time I'm not cutting only the sides because this box happens to be a lot sturdier. So I want to keep these corners for extra strength. So what I'm going to do is cut it down the middle and then add panels to the middle in order to make it wider, so that way more than one kid can fit in. Alright, so I did the markings of where I want the windows and the door to be. And now I'm gonna go ahead with the box cutter and cut all that out. He's more scared of the box than he is scared of the blade. He knows I'm not gonna do nothing. Come on, let's cut this. Let's hope that he doesn't fly while I'm cutting. Are you gonna help me? We'll see. There you go. So it should look something like this. So I started painting it now. I'm painting it in different sections because I cannot, if I put it together here, it's not going to fit through the door or the stairs. So I'm gonna paint it in pieces and I'm gonna put it together over there at the party. But I'm doing this brick sponge pattern, which I did in my jail box tutorial as well. Also, be prepared for your hands to look like this. Look great, right? So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm using a mix of these paints right now to make like a dark brown. I didn't have any yellow, so I had to use acrylic for the yellow. I should have just done black, but it's supposed to be a dark brown.
One, two, quick, quick, quick! 10 seconds, 50 seconds more. Come on.